Hey family, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to talk about 3 indicators that it may just be time for you, yes you, to do couples therapy. Let's get into it. Number 1, if you guys find yourselves stuck in the same old arguments, it may be time to do couples work. Divorce becomes a topic after about 5 years. Couples are coming out of that honeymoon stage and they're starting to look at each other sideways and say, I used to like that when we dated, and now it is so annoying. They begin to have conversations about divorce. And depending on how your family saw divorce and saw separation and saw conflict, divorce might be thrown around about year 5. Okay? So everyone has conflict in relationships. And conflict, I just had conflict almost knocking over my phone just now. But everybody has conflict. In relationships, it's perfectly normal. But if you find yourself stuck in the same old arguments over and over and over again, same old patterns, it might be time. Number 2, everything your partner does annoys you. They leave the toilet up, the toilet seat, not the toilet up. How do they leave the toilet up, Dominique? They leave the toilet seat up. Annoying. They don't take out the trash. Annoying. They look at you and wink and say, hey, babe, how's it? I can't wink really, but how's it going? Want to get busy? I don't know how y'all families do things, right? But that might be extremely annoying to you. When you first started dating, that might have been so sexy to you. You might have said, oh my goodness, he's winking, she's winking. Oh my goodness, this is so amazing. And now you're like, if he winks at me one more time, I'm going to knock his eyes out. I don't know. Okay, no violence, y'all. No violence. But that might be an indicator that it's time for you to come and see a marriage therapist, okay? Many couples avoid therapy until around about 6 years. So they stay stuck in that rut for about 6 years. Now, if we go back, we say divorce becomes a topic around 5 years, and then they start talking about it around 6 years to come to therapy. That indicates to you kind of where folks find themselves, right? So many couples avoid therapy for about 6 years. And if you did not do premarital work before you got married, oh my goodness, y'all, you're probably a hot mess. Come and see us. Come talk to us. Okay. All right. Number 3, you never fight. I mean, peace is peaceful. Yeah. Peace is so peaceful. No, people. No, you never fight. That's not a good indicator of successful marriage. Couples argue. Couples get into it, fighting with each other. Now, I'm not saying physical fighting. Don't you do that. But what I am saying is conflict is inevitable in relationships. So if you find that the things that bother you, you're not actually talking about it with your partner, it might be time to see a couples therapist. 55% of couples attend therapy for 6 months or less. I get that question a lot of times. People come in and say, how long will we be in therapy? How long will we be in therapy? And it's really hard to give you a precise answer on that because for everybody, it's completely different, right? But on average, 55% of couples attend therapy for 6 months or less. All these stats are according to relationship expert John Gottman, okay? So if you are thinking to yourself, is it time for me to see a couples therapist? I hope you found your answer here today. All right. Thank you and see you on my next video. Okay, let's go to church. So hey babe. Hey babe, how's it going?